We just gonna I just click live on the channel. I'm just gonna wait for everybody to come through. We can obviously so tell me what you've been doing, bro. You've been playing on OTB, huh?
Yeah, man. Hold on. I'm trying to find. I don't see you on here.
Oh, it literally just went live, so you'll get
Okay.
it. You'll get it in a minute. Twitch.tv slash
I
Jim
got you.
Canty.
I'm pretty
Refresh
sure
it.
I got you.
Just refresh. It's in the chat. Let me add you. By the way, too, make sure you on ChessCom. I'm gonna add you to this classroom now,
Okay.
so we can just have this. I don't know if you can play, but we're gonna do a quick. Yeah, we'll do this. Copy and
Hold on. What is your Twitch? Because I don't see you here.
I got you. Twitch.tv slash GMCANTY. Got it.
Mm,
Let me send you a link. Hold on. Show you a link. Meets. Here's the chat. Oh. What's good, Coach? What up, Chess Hightower? What's good? What's up, Roger Khaled? I see you in chat. It's good. Boys, Jedi, Z Nation.
there
Hello.
you go.
Yeah, we up. We up. You can just pull the chat up. And then you can
Oh, I
also.
was not following you.
We here, bro. Kramnik going down in flames. Made my day. Oh, he lost the thing? I didn't know what happened. I think he lost by one. Touch and go. There he is. Touch and go 170. There he is, chat. There he is
What
right
up?
there.
What
The
up?
man
What up?
himself. We got Randy Brown with us, chat. Say what's up to Randy Brown. I don't know if y'all been here
That was good,
before
chat.
for the last one we had, but we back. What up, boy? What's good, Randy? Talk to us, man. How you feel, bro? Good to have you again.
Feeling good, man. Feels good to be back. Feeling really good. I'm
Okay.
excited. You know what I mean? To come in here and practice all the stuff and get off all the stuff that I've learned and I've been practicing. I want to put it
Wow.
to good use today.
He been practicing. We gotta see this. We gotta see. We got some questions for him and all that. So let's stick around. Let's see what we got, bro. Oh, let me send you this invite. Let me know if you got it. It says send invite. Why is it not sending? Oh, it says invite pending. Oh.
One sec. Log in here.
It's all good. What up, Lemmy Upon? What's good, man? We here. Stream. What's up, boss?
Right. See where I find my invites at.
I'm actually just gonna resend it because it probably. I'll try it now. You see anything pop up? Maybe be in chess.com/play. Like you're about to go play a game.
Okay. You still, which one do you have me as? You have me as Run Funds?
Oh no, I got the Rude Boy one.
Got the Rude Boy one. Ah, there we go. That's why.
Oh, okay.
Let me switch accounts.
Oh yeah, he got 2 accounts. He out here going crazy, Chad. He got 2 accounts.
I just forgot. I literally just forgot to log in.
He
I
just learned
wanted to
how to
make a new
play.
one.
He out here getting us, Chad.
All right. I don't even remember what my actual name was on the Rude Boy one.
It was I Rude Boy I.
Ah, there we go.
Raymond Simmons, what's up, boss? It's good to see you in chat. Cool fighter dude with a hat and Randy Brown. What's up, dog? What's good, man? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Did y'all check the last fight Randy was in? It's a crazy fight. Talk a little bit about that later.
Tough fight.
Tight fight. Tough fight, but got the dub.
Is there? All right.
Okay, let me see.
Did you add my? I can't log into this one either now.
You can't log in. It's all good. So what's the other one then? Log into the one you can log into.
It's Run Funds. RUN FONZ. FUNZ.
Okay, right here. Run Funds. Gotcha. Okay, log into that one. Let me know when you
Yep.
in. Okay,
Logged in.
And then go to chess.com/play, just like you're about to play a game.
Okay.
And then let me click the thing.
Up there it is.
Boom. You in. Sweet.
I'm in here.
Perfect. So now one thing I'm about to do is make you get full control. Okay. Now refresh the page. I'm gonna do the same.
Okay. Boom.
Let me make sure we're still in here. Yeah, see everything. Oh, there we go. Okay, can you see my arrows?
Yes, I can see
Perfect.
arrows.
We good. Let's go. Okay, all
All right,
right.
baby.
We back. All right, big dog. So let's first things first. All right, so talk about the fight, bro. You just had this crazy fight, chat. I mean, listen, my man's had a fight. He came out here, he won the fight, but it was crazy. I listened to MMA. What's the podcast?
That was Ariel Hawani, the MMA Hour.
Yeah, that boy had MMA Hour. That boy was viral. That like whole thing was nice. So it was nice. But man, bro, tell us about a little bit about the fight. Congratulations on the win as well. And then that moment when you pop the foot, and if you could go back and see the footage, we hear the pop, and you can hear somebody in the background like, "Oh my god!" Like it was crazy. Like, and then the fight still went on. So what happened, bro?
I mean, it's one of those things. You know, it's funny. I was telling my coach this, my strength coach, because he's not really there for the fights. He's just, there for like the work.
Yeah.
And I told him in that moment, I remember it's so clear. It was like, all right, that's the first time your mind goes like, it's like, they say your life flashes before you.
Yeah.
But like in this sense, it was more so like, all right, every scenario flashed in my head at that moment. It was just like, scenarios just started running. I think my mind has never been moving that fast before in my life.
That's crazy.
So you're like, all right, the toe's broken. 1, don't let him see it. 2, what if he sees it? 3, all right, switch my stance. Game plan, should I wrestle? Should I not wrestle?
Wow.
Feint to back him up. Jab, use the jab. Quick.
Yeah.
So it's like it's so many different things, like so that he doesn't get a beat on that you're injured. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because I can't twist. Once you hurt your foot, you can't twist on the back leg anymore. Because I felt it. I've broken that foot before, so I know.
Yeah.
Exactly the feeling, and I was like, "Damn! I'm a one-handed guy.
Wow,
I'm a one-handed fighter."
He beat him with one hand.
Yeah,
and some knees.
If you watch the fight, you notice I only use my left hand mostly, and like my knees.
Yeah, and the
knees. I couldn't sit and twist with my right hand. My right hand is gone.
Wow, that's crazy, boss. That's crazy. And it's guys. I mean, because I'm boxing. I'm preparing for like chess boxing, but like, I mean, insane. That obviously hands and feet is completely different, and you can't use one side. This is like Goliath type deal, like out there, fighting
crazy.
with one side of your body in that type of professional fight type stuff. It's crazy. So it's really fire, bro. It's good to see, good to hear, and congrats on the win. So what's next? Actually, I think you called out who'd you call out again or something in the interview? He was like, "Yo, yeah." So big dog, basically, you know what time it is.
Yeah. It was super respectful. It's this dude,
respectful,
Neil.
Yeah.
He's a tremendous fighter, you know what I mean? But styles make fights, and I think my style is just one of those styles where I could do some big damage on him early, So that's really it. I think he's in a good spot for me to come in and swoop away that number. He's at number 8 or 7 or something like that.
Top, so exactly.
I'm unranked, and I think I'm 7-1 in my last 8 fights. I've lost to one guy in like the past 5 years.
Right.
That guy's the number 4 guy in the world today.
Yeah.
So give me a crack at the rankings, man. I think I deserve that. So definitely, respectfully, I think that I deserve to challenge him for his spot. You know what I mean?
Randy Brown, my guy. You hear it? Challenge. Push the button. Oh, hey, I gotta turn it down because the button's too loud. So let me turn it down, then push the air horn. There it is. Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. Randy Brown. Okay, perfect. We rooting for you, bro. So good stuff, man. Now, of course, obviously, chess and martial arts are fighting. Anyways, it's a lot of the same, a lot of similarities. Obviously, one is people are swinging at you, in fact, and trying to kill you, and one is obviously over the board. But same type of ordeal. Let's get to this chess, bro.
Let's do it.
We excited to see you. So you've been playing OTB. He been playing over the board, guys. He was like, "Yeah, I've been working." So we gonna see, bro. All right, let's see. From the last lesson, we talked about obviously pawn, center, just beginner stuff too. So let's see where you at, bro. Pawns are worth how much?
Pawns are worth how much? Yeah. I threw 1.
Okay, correct. Knight.
Now we getting analytical. I kind of forgot the analytics. It's probably worth what? It's probably worth 2.
3.
3. Okay.
3. And
what's worth 2? Nothing worth 2.
Nothing worth 2.
So we just skip. All right,
Just
bet.
completely skip it. Yeah. Ones, obviously the pawns. The knight and bishops are both 3. Bishops, they usually say a little bit better, so it's like between 3 and 3.2. But to not mix it up, bro, it's just 3. Right, it's 3. And then the rook is worth how many? Because we going in order, so that helps you. Obviously, 1, 3s. Rook is how much?
What? I'm gonna say 5.
Exactly. You remember that because a lot of times in chess, when you learn some stuff, like you're gonna forget some stuff, but you remember a lot. Correct. So if we go in order, queen is how much?
Queen's gonna be what, 7?
Close, 9. I mean, it's
8.
not. It's 9. Little 9 piece. No, that's it. That's it. And then king is obviously the game. Checkmate, right? So, okay, on the I guess that's kind of it, bro. We just wanted to cover that. Okay, so now, all right, let's make some moves, bro. You play white, I'll play white. There you go.
Let's go.
Let me flip the board. Knight c3. Okay, all right, let's go e5.
Oh, I gotta flip the board too, right? How do I flip the board? The last time I was playing you like this from the top.
You could do X on the keyboard, but you're playing white. So if you're looking at it from white's point of view, good. If you're not, then you click X on the keyboard. If that don't work,
All right.
it's on the side of the board to flip. What's up, crazy fellow? I see y'all in chat. What's going on in chat? Yeah, I see you. Okay, all right. So, automatic failure. Automatic 100%.
Oh, dang.
What is he doing with his life? Young King in chat, I see you. Hey, get your boy Randy, man. Get your boy Randy. This is what he played on move 2. It's putting the knight in the center. So, this is what we're going to do. In fact, one thing you want to know is chess is like a team game. It is 100% team game. So, when you're doing this, what you want to do is focus on, and this is very easy, is get the guys off the back rank. Get them off the bench. Can you see this arrow, by the way?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just making sure. Sometimes it'd be like glitching like last time. So you want to get the main focus is get the guys off the bench. Don't let one player try to be like Kobe, bro. Like this is don't do it.
Them out there,
you know
for
what
failure.
I mean? And he like, yo, let's do. I got pass me the ball. It's like, bro, we're not even doing nothing yet. Like we're literally doing nothing, and it's one man versus everyone. So don't try to be Kobe. Plus, also with it, it's good to understand. You want to usually develop these guys quickly so you can get castled. But you can develop the knight too. This is just generally, it's a strange move, move 1. Usually, moves you would play move 1 is like these. This one, or this one, even this one. These are like natural first moves. This one can still be a first move, but it is just sort of strange. So let's backtrack. Let's try something else. And then now that you have these 2 pieces of knowledge, get the guys off the bench. And obviously, of course, this one's just strange first move. What are we doing? What's up, Young King? Soulman 7, I see you in chat. Okay, beautiful. That's nice. Now, if you like this move, if you like moving the knights too as well, this is good to know. This one makes it's annoying because people with the black pieces, they have no idea what your second move is going to be. It's a very flexible opening. So when you play knight f3, you immediately put them under some type of like, I don't know, they don't know what you're going to do next because you have so many other moves. You can go e4, d4, you go c4, you can go g3. All these are good moves. So, okay, knight f3, I'm going to play e5. See what you do. Okay, e4, I was throwing it out there. Reason why I said that is always be looking. This is a second lesson. Always be looking. Checks captures threats. That's it. You remember what a check is? I forgot. We haven't got that far yet. But I know you was playing. So do you remember checks and checkmates?
Yeah, check is like, well, typically I want to put the queen in check, but right now I think that this guy's stuck here, so he's in check right now. No, because I could take him with my knight. Correct.
He is kind of in check. I guess pieces are in check, but really check is usually when the king is in danger. So a quick example is like, obviously this is check. So the king's in danger. I have to like block or something like that. But every move you want to be looking for, obviously captures. Just look for stuff and ask yourself, what are they doing? That's the biggest thing you can do in chess, is asking them, what are they doing and what can you do about it from that standpoint. Okay, so let's let me make a few more moves. And then we're going to flip it with black side and see what happens. Too nice, Tango. Oh, Young King. C3. Okay. All right. This is called Ponziani, in fact. Let's see what you do next. I'm just gonna develop. I'm gonna do exactly what I'm telling you. Get my guys off the bench, get my king saved. Nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's good development. It's good development. Get out the way. That was a thoughtful move. Very nice. You took some time, you thought about it, and you played d4. Chess is a lot like simple math. When like you have to think about, especially in this case, let's look at this. How many pieces defend this pawn? That would be 1, that would be 2, that would be 3. Right? So how many pieces are, do I have on this square too as well? 1, 2, 3. So it's my move. So if captures, let's just take a look at how this would work. Takes, 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 and then you want to count. Always be aware of the material. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, go back to that last one. What was that last one? So my king could come up that far?
Queen.
Oh, that's my queen. Oh shit. All right.
Yeah. Only the queen, right? King definitely one space at a time. One space, except when you castling. So takes. All right, queen takes. And then you always want to be aware of how many pieces you have versus theirs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pawns matter too, but definitely these major pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So simple math says that if I just keep making trades, I'm going to be left with an extra piece, which is easier for me to win the game. These are small things to keep tabs of in that sense. But that's a good move. I think d4 is pretty nice. Okay, not bad. All right, let's flip it. So you're gonna play black.
All right.
And then we're gonna get you into some games, live games, and we're gonna get your mind and commentary, and we're gonna fry you and grill you, and then bring you back to life and get you better. Okay, let's go. Make sure you're looking at it from black's point of view too. Okay, not bad. But what I want you to focus on, especially with the black pieces too, because you have the second, we move. Obviously, we have the second move or the second player, so we can react. It's a lot of reaction times and counter punching type of thing. Get these guys off the bench, like you did with white. You did very good with that. You got pieces out very quickly. So focus more on that. B6, okay. You want to be careful how many pawn moves you make in the beginning. Once you get the guys off the bench, then you can start making more flexibility with the pawn moves. But you first got to start getting these boys out. You see how I got them out quick. I only made 1 pawn move. You made 3 already, right? So I'll be faster in development is what we call that. When you get the guys off the bench, it's called development. So once you develop your pieces, then I'm going to be much faster to attack you. Basically, first to develop is first to attack. So if you do B6, you're still kind of behind. You can use pawns, but you are still kind of like very passive. Kind of like fighting with your hands down the whole time. You can do that, but like the whole time, like you may get caught with some shots, basically. So you got to be very careful with that. So, all right, let's play another move then. Okay. Oh man, we gotta push the button for this one, chat.
A little aggressive. Why not?
Very aggressive. Very aggressive. Okay, so Queen F6, that's a great one. And this is why we want to correct these things now. So Queen F6, the reaon why we just laugh at the move is because you want to try to move in piece order, right? So remember when we talked about how much each piece was, right? You said pawns was 1, knights are 3, bishops are 3, rooks are 5, queens are 9. So that means generally, not all the time, there are exceptions, lots of them, especially if they like, make a move. For instance, let me just make a move for black. And then, they make a move like this. And like, this is just a bad move. You want to be looking for checks, captures, and threats. Oh, I could take this knight for free, right? So be aware. Now, I did move my queen out early. It's not in piece order, meaning I should probably be moving the queen last. It depends on what's going on. But piece order says, basically when you did this, this is way out of piece order. Because now that you move the queen out here, and I'll just show you an example. I'm going to make a pawn move, and then like maybe you do anything. And then immediately I'm already going to put pressure on your queen. Oops, sorry. Like even from the reverse side, you actually kind of had a similar setup when you played white. But I just made one move. I'm already attacking the queen. Now you got to find where's the queen go? And then you got to sit here. Then you got to be aware that there are just tactics. The queen is misplaced already. I'm already kind of looking to trap the queen in weird ways. Like where now I attack your queen. You can't go here. You can't go here. You can't go here. You have to put the queen here. Very strange how that is because you moved it out early. So you want to, keep her for later. She's going to do a lot of damage, but unless, obviously something stupid happens like white or puts a piece on an unprotected square where the queen can actually take it. Obviously, if the pawn was here, let's make a move. If the pawn was here, then that wouldn't be good to capture. Right. Something like that. Or even if the pawn just moves up and this bishop is defending that square. So these small things you should pay a lot of attention to. Chess Pawn, what's going on here? What's up, boss? What's going on, Lord Nitty? I see you guys chat. Good job on that, Lord Nitty. We are here with Randy Brown, you know what I'm saying? Mr. 7-1 out of my last 8. One in with broke my foot, still won the fight. You know what I'm saying? Google it. Crazy story. So we tuning up his chess game. So all right, perfect, bro. I think it's time. In fact, one more time, I'm going to make a move. We're just going to one more run through with black. Just make a few moves, kind of a warm up. And then we're going to get you right into the ring. Okay? Gross. Absolutely terrible.
What? Oh,
this
it's supposed to
the wrong side.
On this side.
Exactly. There you go. The other side. Okay, that's very good, though. You want some UFC lessons in return. Exactly. Yeah, I'm with that. That's fine. We can never do that. Very nice. There we go. If you stick to this a lot, you'll be very nice. Now, of course, E4 is different, but against this, actually, let me go back. So, E4.
I didn't want you to capture, so I kind of just went halfway.
That was really good. That was really good, bro. That was a very good sequence of moves here. It's a very solid setup, and then you can play this later, and obviously it's defended, and like you can just, it's a very easy way to get a good position very fast. It's very nice.
I was gonna play bishop there. What do you think?
Bishop where?
My next move was gonna be bishop. Yep, right there.
This one.
Yeah,
that's it. That's nice. It's a very, and I'll show you. I'm just gonna move this knight back and forth. This is an easy setup that you can play so fast with a black. Actually, even D5. This, you should probably play this because you remember everything revolves around the center. So you really want to just have, in fact, as they say, like in fighting, when you're doing, like, keep your head off the center line, right? You know what I mean? Like you want to punch and get off the center line. Yeah. But in chess, you want to really be in the center a lot, right? It's just the opposite. But so a lot of times, everything you're doing should point towards the center or do something to influence the center if you can. Because if you did this bishop move, this doesn't do anything for the center. But you still need to get this piece off the back ring so you can get your king safe, stuff like that, right? So after, let's just make a move here, and then castles, right? And you're good. And then you just, develop the pieces, maybe play C5. But this is very easy. You can make these moves fast and get to a position to play actual chess, right? So, all right, boss, it's time, big dog. He's time to lock in, chat. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? He about to get in there. We about to critique him. We about to grill him and tell him what is he doing. And then we going to put him back up. And
what if I get my first dub against someone?
You know what? I believe you are, but it is going to be some garbage moves in between for both of y'all. But I believe you're going to get a dub because the man's a fighter. But it's definitely going to be wild. Okay, so what
you give me too much credit here.
All right, so go to chess.com/play, and I'm going to actually, let me pull up your account. It's not Root Boy, it's the other one. We're under Run Funds. Okay, /Run Funds. And then we're going to watch you in a minute. Don't start the game yet. I'm gonna see what you're gonna play. Let me following. Okay. All right, so when you get to chess.com/play, we want you to play like a 15-minute game. We want you to get some time in there. So we're going to sit here and watch you play a 10 or 15-minute game.
All
so
right.
whatever that's set to. And then, yeah, after you're done, we're going to pull it into, I can take the game and we're going to pull it back into that classroom and lightly analyze it and go from there. All right. Okay. All right, big dog. I'm muting, so you ain't going to be able to hear me. And make sure you got the stream muted too as well. Hey, good luck, big dog. Do you think?
All right. Just got to hit play?
Yeah, just hit play.
Online?
Yeah, you just hit play.
Right.
Make sure it's under 15 though. You see, is it are you under, you see time control?
Where's time control?
Oh, actually click play online. And then once from play online, it's going to say like, actually, hold on.
15/10.
Exactly. That's exactly what you do. Click that 1510 and then let me know it's going to pair you.
All right, let's do it.
All right, let's go.
I'm all paired versus.
Okay, chat.
Just user or
go,
one just user.
All right, chat. Let's see what
all
he
right,
do.
I'm white, so that means I gotta go first.
Let's see what he does. Give him smoke,
Pick
Randy.
up what I've
Let's
learned.
go.
Ow.
Go. Okay.
Oh, aborted. He aborted the game. I intimidated him.
Yeah, you did, bro.
I intimidated him.
You did. He didn't
I intimidated him.
That's
First
crazy.
move, he didn't want none.
Knight F3, he got out of there. Instant. I'm out. That's crazy, bro. That's insane. Now click, I think, just click next or play game, whatever.
Undefeated, bro. I think I'm done. That's it. Undefeated, bro. I don't even come back.
That's funny, bro. That's funny. Now, but believe it or not, they used to give you points for this. So this is actually just a half point. Like, it don't even count. Like, it's not even in there. It's just, but it does look good, though. It does look good. It does feel good. You make one move, he already out of there. All right, let me see. Are you in a game? Oh, you are. Okay.
Yep, I just jumped in.
Okay. All right, do your thing, man. We muting. Good luck. All right, chat. All right, let's see what we got. He won already. Yeah. All right. Oh, okay. I was like, what this man play? I thought he lost his mind. I was like, bro, really? Okay, so you playing black. All right, chat. So let's see what he doing. See what he doing.
Another one.
See money. Thanks for the 34, my guy. Let me turn it down a little bit because I got his mic all the way up. So let me put it down a little bit. See money with 34 months, bro. Oh, he hit you with a check. Okay, good. We chilling with Randy Brown. It's pretty cool content. I appreciate the hard work. It takes time to organize this. Thank you, Flippy Killer. Appreciate that, man. Especially people on the back end too as well. You know. So he quiet, right? So I actually told him, bro. I told him we want to hear his thoughts. So he's locked in right now, chat. He is locked in right now. He locked in, bro. I was like, yeah, bro, just tell us your thoughts so we can talk about it. But then here we go. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Mr. Takes B4 is on the board or is there. Match and ELO. Yes, match and ELO as well.
I'm in danger. I just realized. I didn't even realize I'm in danger. Dang.
Oh my goodness. That's funny.
He needs some milk.
Wow.
Oh no.
Wow. Wow, bro. See money. Randy Brown with the big flex. MD Knight, what up, dog? Oh man, bro. Would you say that Nimzo Indian from Anish is okay? He has a Nimzo Indian course? Nimzo Indian? Anish? You mean Geary? I mean anything Anish Geary is great, but also Nimzo Indian is fine. Anyone who has a Nimzo Indian is fire. No, I'll have all the Nimzo Indian courses. It's just a great opening. We still in the game. You didn't need it anyway. He ain't need it anyways, right? This is top tier. Whatever. Apex Chess. What's good? How you doing? What's going on, French expert? We here. We watching Randy. You know what I'm saying? He fighting in the ring. He fighting on the board. He can't hear us right now. So, Fishy's son be for refer to the in game thing. Finger capture. Oh, what opening?
Another one.
What tournament is this? MD9, thanks for gifting the Jess. Jessica got a sub. Okay, 94 here. I told him about this, so we talked about this. So of course, chat, we're gonna grill him a little bit about this because we keep telling him, obviously, develop pieces, get the guys off the back rank, which he's doing that. You know, he's doing that, but he's trying to be Kobe with the piece. I told him stop doing Kobe with one piece. I told him this. He's trying to just be Kobe with one piece, bro. You gotta stop moving one piece at a time. One piece. Yeah, he likes to just use the one piece, you know. So we got to get him out of that. We got to get him out of the habit of doing it. Nice C6 hits the queen, but this next move is going to be me. After queen takes E4. Check.
Leaving here with something.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, really? Are you?
Bruh.
Yes. Young Jedi. This one's going to hurt on the way out. But you also still have, like, these games,
All right.
it
I know
literally,
you're not supposed to help me here, right?
anything happens.
But the thing is,
Anything happens.
I want to take this. But I know if I take this, this is here waiting for me.
You're in check. So you can't do nothing but think about, obviously, the check. When you're in check,
Am I in
though,
check?
you're
What's
in
it? Is
his queen.
oh shit.
That's how it go. You're in check, bro. So you gotta block or move the king. It's up to you. No, you ain't cooked. You still, you know, there's so much chess left in this game, and you still have a lot of possibility to win. But you know, it's just not the easiest. But you do have, anything can happen right now. Good luck, young Jedi.
All right. Let's do this. Let's see. Maybe I'll sacrifice it. Maybe not.
Okay, so now we back muted.
See if he takes the bait.
All right, let's see what happens. It's like, how in check? I don't really check. I didn't yeah, just go ham. My man just got off the flight. Tough training with a savage. Yeah, bro. And we was talking about the foot thing earlier. I don't know if you guys know this, but his last fight, he broke his foot, bro, and had to fight on one side of his body and still won the fight. That is insane. I was like, bro, that's crazy. And the clip is out there. I saw the clip on Twitter or X. But, you know, the clip is there. You can hear the pop. Somebody in the background was like, ah. It was like, ah. You know, as soon as he got kicked his foot, like, it was a crazy scene. And then he still won the fight, bro. It's nuts. Go check the clip. Send me the. Sorry, I can go. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, no, yeah, his course is top notch. If it wasn't for what he put in, he would have the greatest combo. I didn't like his semi-tirage, his part 2. This is just like, bro, I just couldn't get with it. I just could not. I really hope he comes out with something else. But he has the best Nimzo, I think, ever. It's the best one. The other ones are great too as well. It's good to have all of them. He has the absolute greatest one. But then you have to pair, obviously, that with something else. So now you have to choose like a Queen's Indian or Semi-Slav or Vienna. Something else, because that's it gives like a semi-tirage, which is really, really, like, it's hard to play that, bro. Going from Nimzo to then playing that semi-tirage, he puts in part 2 is like really like, oh man, it's a bummer. What a Randy's chess goes. He's just trying to get good, you know, like he's not he's just learning, you know what I mean? So he's just learning. He likes to play though. He's even playing a lot of chess on OTB recently. We've been working on that. Randy in the think tank though. He in the think tank. Okay, hit him before he split him. He don't know what he doing. But he did check him though. He did check him. Let's see if pawn G3 happens. If pawn G3, maybe queen F6 or E7. Hopefully he moves the queen though after that. That'd be good. It's a nice move. Queen check, nice flex. I mean, they the same rating, you know, so like he might be thinking, oh my goodness, how do I get out of this? And he played G3, okay? So the queen is attacked. Come on, Randy. Come on, bro. Move the queen, man.
I was just checking. I was just checking. Shit.
Literally just checking. Literally just checking. Okay, big dog. Okay. He still lost though. I mean, you know, like he He down some material. But, you know, anything happens at this level. I mean, even up to like 1500, bro. Anything can happen. Anything will happen. It's not a matter and it will, something crazy is going to happen here. But Queen F6 was good. He found it. He got the queen out of there. That's very good. That is very good. Very good. Something could happen. Queen F6, bishop takes, castle queenside, bishop A3. Right, bishop D5. A1 is hanging already. So he has to, you know, prime bishop C3. Can you hear you? No, I'm muted. I'm muted. Gonna unmute because he's playing, and you know, we're gonna analyze it right after. Yeah, why the B pawn? Yeah, right. You had to see it from the beginning. Hold on, bro. You have to see it from the beginning to understand, because it is like, bro, where's the B pawn? Yeah. That's why. This is why, guys. So that's a very valid question, you know, like. If you're just getting here, where's the B pawn?
He's thinking.
That's right. That's right. Got him thinking. That's right. Queen takes a rook. He has to go bishop C3 or knight C3. I mean, both are good.
Frowned upon and start like,
there it
is. Yeah. See it there?
Okay.
That's what I was waiting for.
He was waiting for that, huh?
He don't got no options. No options, Papa.
Let's see. What are you gonna do? Oh man, G5. What is it? What is he doing? G5, Randy.
Oh.
G5. Wow. Okay, well, he did develop a little bit better this time. He did. He developed some pieces, which I like. Now we have to practice. So, you know, as we see here, we got to look more at capturing pieces and looking at the whole board.
Goodbye to it. Got to say goodbye to the rook.
The rook.
Question. I got one question. Do I have to say goodbye to the rook in this situation here, or do I have options? You don't got to tell me what. But
I always like to say you do have a lot of options here, but remember, you have to look for checks, captures, threats almost every move. So you just want to be glad. You want to have full board vision. What this is about, and obviously understanding that you do have options most times, and always believe that you do have options until you checkmate it, and that's correct. You do. You got a lot of options.
Okay, but my option, I don't want to lose. Does my option involve me losing this rook?
Which bishop you mean?
Is it a rook? The one with the what do you not rook? What do you call it?
The bishop.
The bishop. Yeah.
Yeah, you have options. Yeah, you have exactly.
I'm screwed. I got to give it up.
You have a choice to give it up. Yeah, I mean, it's going to be hard to not give it up. In fact, there's only like one or two moves that would stop it, but those aren't really good moves either. So it's more of a, you have to, if you're going to give it up, you have to get something for it, or you have to try to like create mass problems.
Okay.
Always.
Got you.
Okay, let's see what we got, chat. Let's see what he does. Yeah. He's talking about the bishop. He meant the bishop. What a weird champ. Hold on. Wow, he found him. Let's go, champ! He found queen takes A1. But, I mean, this could get very nasty. After takes, I mean, hopefully, we talked about castling, but I don't think he's going to castle queenside. That could be. What a game. It's a strong 200, you know. They didn't say radar. All takes bishop. Like, bro, how is he so strong? Like, what? He just found all the bishop takes, pawn. Like, this is insane. But anything can happen. It's not mate yet. He takes. Oh man, here we go. Hold on to your hats, Chad. Breathe through it. We gotta breathe through this one. Okay. All right. He's okay though. Believe it or not. King takes e6. Yo, this is the strongest 232 I've ever seen. It's crazy. So you only got two options. You either block or you move away. In fact, what we teach kids is when your king is in check, you practice CPR. So that means, can you capture the piece checking you? If you can't, then you protect, meaning block. And then if you can't do that, then you run away. But you have to calculate all three to see which is the best. Because not that just because it's in order doesn't mean you always go in that order. You just have to see which is best in that order.
In this situation, I think it's run.
Do what you think is best. Very good. That's it. That's very good, chat. King D8. Yeah, this guy, like, who's this guy? You know, King D8 is correct. He found it. Oh my goodness. He hung his queen, bro. He hung his queen, bro. He hung his queen, chat. He found it.
Didn't see it.
Get him off the board.
He forgot it was up there, didn't he?
He forgot it was
up there.
Let's go. We all in the chat going crazy. Let's go.
All right.
Let's go. All right, now now he has to wow, he cleaning up. Now he going crazy. See money, get your boy, man. Get your boy. See money. He didn't call fire. He didn't call fire. See money. Oh my goodness. Let him rook. 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 Wow. Some nice moves. He's locked in. He leaned into the screen. He is leaned into the screen. Yeah, the fork is incoming. Right? The fork is incoming. Oh, anything can happen, man. Oh man, bro, do never bet on these games, guys. Just never do that. Never ever. Oh man, he would have a heart attack if you bet on these games. Oh man. Whew. Sometimes it's just like you don't know. You just don't know. You know what I mean? There is no certainty. It's too much emotion. Exactly. There's just it's hard, man. Still there. Still there. Still there. Good move though. Good move. Fork is still there, Chad. Will he see it? Place your bets. Bet your house. Will he see it? Oh, didn't have time. Didn't have time. Didn't have time. Didn't have time to put the bets in. Like to move. I mean, he's got to move something to not work, right? He's got to do something to like. There has to be like, yeah, he has to make a move, most likely, that would stop the fork. You would think, right? I feel that's coming. I feel that's logical now. Okay, you know what I mean, right? There's a check. There's a check. King E2 only move. That's kind of hard because, you know, what is he gonna do next? This is a very scary place to be for both sides because black could just hang the queen right back. King E2, Queen A6 check. King moves away and then the queen is hanging on A6, right? Like very sick line, you know. King E2, Queen check because you see it. King F2, okay. King F2, Queen here, Queen there, ring of 8. Anything. He's gonna find a check. I think he's gonna find a good check. I believe, Chad. What do you think? Okay, not bad. This is still here. Still here. We're gonna get him doing puzzles today on his own time. We gotta get him doing some puzzles. Make sure we're looking at our checks. Definitely the forks. Project Dodge. Thanks for the follow. Me being in chat. What's up? You won't notice it. Wow. Yeah, that's just never gonna happen. It has been there for like 5 moves. It's just never going to be played. So at this point, I mean, hey, I could probably confidently bet that he's just not gonna see the thwart. Neither. Wow.
Oh shit. Cooked.
He needs some milk.
Wow. Are you watching right now? No, we're doing a lesson with Randy Brown. Best game I've watched in a long time. Oh man. Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm about to.
Oh no.
Lord have mercy.
Fuck.
Jesus. Oh my goodness. Please help us right now, God.
No,
Lord.
I just realized what I did.
Oh my goodness. This is
Oh,
a family
no.
channel. We got kids watching
What
this.
have I done?
What are you doing, Randy? What are you doing?
Oh shit.
Randy, we got kids watching this. I can't believe you did that move, bro.
Yo,
D2, we got
I literally noticed in the moment I moved it, I was like, oh damn.
unbelievable, bro. We hurting. We crying over here.
Oh
Keep
no.
playing. Keep fighting anyway. You still got time. You don't give up until you checkmate it because there's still many possibilities. But, you know, we got to fix that. Breathe through it, young fella. Breathe through it.
Whew. I brought him back in the game somehow.
You was crushing him. But, of course, we'll go over that in the post-game analysis. So, finish strong. God, it was just looking great, man. Like, he was crushing him. And then he got crushed. He crushed himself. The post-game analysis is going to be longer than the game. Yeah, Randy, we need to do this. We need to sit here for 5 hours and talk about all the mistakes in this game. He hit him, but then he got split. Yeah, you got to hit him before lay splitting. Like, lay. It's important to just lay and not another word. Like, no. You know what I mean? It has to be important. It's like every has to be correct. I blinked and his queen's going, exactly. I know. He was hitting him with combos. He found Queen A1, Queen F6, Queen, D6, and then Queen D2. Yikes. And Queen D2. And what's funny is just when you look at this move, guys, look at this. Look at this. The queen can be captured by 2 different knights, guys. 2 different knights. And so if he ain't see it one way, well, I got it the other way. We're still in the game. And I told him to play on, you never know, stalemates and stuff like that happen. It's not a move. Yes, unfortunate. Unfortunate. But we're going to keep playing, Keep playing it. Now he got 5 minutes left. I like that he's using his time, though.
All right.
I like that he's using his time. It's important. What up, bro? Missed you here in Charlotte. What up, Chess Fool? Hey, my guy. What up, dog? How'd you do in the tournament? Yeah, I had to do a chess camp. I was in Chicago doing a chess camp. Oh, that was good. I put a lot of stuff on Instagram. I hit 100K too on IG. Oh my goodness. You just recovered from the 100K stream yesterday? Wow. Okay. You got scored 2 out of 4 and 1 by.
Am I screwed here? I think I am. He's gonna go boom, boom, cook me.
That's exactly right. In that order.
Yep. He's
100%.
gonna go boom, boom, and I'm gonna come up here.
Yeah.
And then he's gonna slide down here and cook me.
Yeah, absolutely. 100%.
Oh damn.
So we just
I can't believe I let this dude back in the game.
Yeah, we'll look at the post game and we're gonna look at ways to how we can prevent that from happening because you literally had him. So obviously you just finished strong. I'm gonna say mute, but yeah, you finished strong, and obviously play it out all the way until either checkmate or stalemate. Always play it out, chat. You know, especially at the lower levels too, because of course, yeah, okay, the guy might be winning, but then he might stalemate, which is very possible that happens. You keep playing. You keep playing. I mean, crazy. Free stalemate. Yeah. And it happened the other day, right? Exactly, Nick. So play it out. We're gonna analyze the game. And then, you're gonna send Randy on his way to give him better, you know, so he is better. And then we'll get to the stream, the regular stream. Yeah, we just use what we have. Good. He's pushing the pawns on the side and stuff. That's very good. I also played the Blitz Knight. You got 3 out of 6.
So should I just
Nah, bro, you never resign, bro. Remember, you like it's the broken foot, bro. You never resign, my guy. Yeah, I mean, you got a lot more than a broken foot right now, but at the same time, you just don't give up.
All right, let's get it. Let's get it.
You're doing pretty good, yeah. How's everybody not 800 rating? Exactly, Toy Tiger, yeah. Everyone. Yeah. Like, what if he queens this pawn somehow? Or queens the other pawn? What do you mean? Yeah. I was just kind of going along with it. A6, hit the knights. Let go 60, go. Very possible. Okay.
Done up.
It's a very strong 200, bro. Like, how is
Done
he?
up.
He's just spotting all the captures. Now, you obviously just use what you have, and you hope that he can't checkmate you, and he stalemates you. It's very possible, because he has lots of pieces. Very possible, John. Yeah. Oh, yeah, exactly. Especially with Atlanta board. When I first started playing chess, I thought you had to start that most of the board should be empty for a checkmate. Rose and trap. Yeah, a lot of rose and trap possibilities here. Oh, yeah, this is, I mean, stalemate territory for sure. Okay. I mean, this guy literally captured everything. So, you know, obviously a lesson that we're going to talk to him about is, you know, capture more pieces. Obviously, look for more captures. But man, strong 200. He got too many pieces, bro. Rook d4 is mates. That is crazy. Bro, Rook d4 is mate. That's insane. Whoa. Hold on, bro. That's crazy.
All right.
All right, boss. So we was crushing him in the beginning. So we gonna pull this game,
bro. Whoop the asses.
He came back off the rope. Something serious. So all right, we in the classroom here. Let me add you. Okay. All right. So you about to get this notification thing.
Got it.
Got it. Okay. Let's flip it. Okay, make sure you're looking at it from Black's point of view.
All right.
Okay, you can see the moves.
Yep.
Perfect. So, yeah, this is all good. You know, like, you know, this was great. You found that. And one thing, first things first, is like, you want to keep looking for more captures. Like, if you notice how he won the game, he just like captured everything, but he was solved these
Queen.
captures too. Exactly. Your queen did that at one point, which was awesome. But then you had other pieces that could have captured too as well that you just kind of missed. And that's okay. Just because you can capture it doesn't mean that you should. Look to see if it's defended. So that's a small thing of like, you know, look for more captures. And if you can capture it, is it defended? For instance, in this case, it's not defended. You took that boy, it was checked. And then here, classic case, he blocked bishop, bishop. Just take the bishop. Just take that boy. You see the arrow?
Yep.
Okay, good. Perfect. Okay, so takes, d6, still fight.
If I took it, but then his queen would have
Take you.
Yeah.
But that's
so
a
it's okay
trade.
to sacrifice a bishop from time to time?
Correct. Bishop for bishop.
Okay.
Because it's the same. So you get 3 for 3.
Got it.
3 for 3. And it's also better also as well to just not let them capture for free, obviously. So even if you did this, it would be a trade. Like this move. Okay, he gets a bishop, I get 1 too. The trades are good. Trades are okay.
Okay.
But just not losing material by itself is not okay. Oh yeah, here. So this is the Kobe moment. I was like, bro, he trying to be Kobe, bro. Hey, this is exactly what I was like, yo, he trying to be Kobe, bro. So remember, you got to use the pieces. Also, one thing that you do want to do quickly is get this guy safe, bro. So next time, quick castle, get out the way. Drag the king over twice, and actually, I want you to do it so you get used to how that feels. Pick up the king and move it over twice to the left. That's castling. That's getting your king safe.
Okay. Can he skip over pieces like swap or no?
Only the king. Only the king can do this in this castle sense. Only when he can like castle. Actually, let me give you full control too, because I didn't see your castle on my board. So refresh real quick, and then okay, there we go. All right, so yeah, there we go. Yeah, now I see castling. Yeah, there I don't see it. Yeah, so castles, right? He castles. And then now you see how quickly the rook is. If you go back, the rook is like stuck. He can't really do nothing. And developing him this way is very slow. But if you do this, if you castle, then he already got access to more squares.
Okay.
Right. So it's easy, and the king gets safe real fast. It's easier. So you know, but it's better. You know, you still kind of fake them out, but it's more like, bro, he's trying to be Kobe, one piece. You know, ISO every game. Queen takes d4. And always be wondering, what are they doing? So he's attacking this. This is nice, though. Nice spot. But, of course, right, this guy, he should be, like, here right now. So he got captured. You blocked. You found it. And this one, we say you're still in the game. You captured back, which was good. And then here's another case where you just get out the way. You never want to be in the way. You're like, bro, I'm about to dodge. Get off the line. You know, get the king needs to be off the center line for sure. It's like the head, right? So get the head off the center line here. Be out the way. But F5, check, and he was like, yo, I hit him, I got him. And he thought about this too. He was thinking. G3 was good. This was a good move from him. And then what you did is you played Queen F6, which this was awesome. I think your best piece of use is the queen. You just know, like, but I want you to use every piece as in like capturing, just know the capturing potential. Every piece can like capture something generally in this path. But this queen was cooking. Like the queen literally was cooking. You went Queen F6. And then you missed it here. You played G5, and we was like, what is he doing? What is he getting? Somebody get him. Like, I was like, yo, hold me back, bro. Hold me back. Yeah, no, he played, it was good. It was good. You missed it, but here it was automatically hitting it, which was good. And then you played G5, he went here. And this is where you got into trouble, because think about this position now, where you take it, and like, this is not really there, but still, it's just a move too late. But you did capture it. I was like, let's go. And then here is another. Now I want you to understand, you can castle both ways. So go this way. Drag it over that way. You can castle both ways. So this is called queenside castle. where, you know, obviously you get the rook open this way. This is a more aggressive way to castle
So
because it takes longer.
if I swing it that way, it automatically pulls the
rook for you.
What if there's something in between those two pieces?
Great
Can I
question.
still do that?
Not at all. You got to clear it out. That's why it's good. Get the guys off the bench. Get them off the bench. Right. So it's good. So it takes, and you found, you know, remember CPR, capture, protect, run. You can't capture the piece checking. You can protect, but you just get mated in one. Checkmate in one. So you was like, yeah, I got to run. That was a great choice. So you got out the way. Then check, and then you spotted it. We was like, oh my goodness. Did he see it? And you saw it. Boom. Took that boy. We was hyped, bro. We was in the chat going crazy. Then he went here, and then you took this one. I was like, oh, let him cook. Let him rook, bro. Let him rook, bro. Like, he was just killing them here. And then, you missed a few things, right? Knights are the trickiest pieces ever. If you ever see a knight, especially, think about this. Here's a good tip, is like, think about chess in halves of the board. So anything that's in your half of the board, you need to get rid of it, bro. So, because they're in range, you know, especially like fighting range. Is in like, you know, he's close enough or knowing your distance, obviously, from the jab and stuff. So, like, he's in distance to hit you with something. So, and that's what, as soon as you went here, we was like, oh my goodness. And look at this, because this is a fork. We're like, you have to move the king, and I'm going to take the queen next. This is a royal fork. Hitting this one here as well. Knights are very tricky. And this was sitting here. He never played it, but it was there for like 6 moves. Y'all both missed it, but it's good to understand, you know, this is a simple tactic. Look for the checks, captures, threats, but, you know, do anything else. Maybe look for a check here. Boom, there's a check. But okay, you know, we're still playing, right? 94. This is there again. This was a good move, though. Besides this being here, it's a good move. Check. That was a good move. Brought the other rook. I mean, besides this being here, I mean, this was very good. Good piece placement. Activity. And then you saw that he was attacking it, and you moved it, but you hung here. And this is why, when you say, before you capture, you got to say, hey, is there anything defending it, right? It's hard to see knights go backwards, too, sometimes. Pieces going backwards is sometimes the hardest thing to actually calculate or see. Like how you captured this queen was a backward movement. So backward movements are the ones we miss a lot. But, okay, we're still in the game. And then you found a check, but the wrong check. The wrong check. That boy hit twice. If you go here, you good. If you go here, you good. Like, these are better ones. Even just moving anywhere else that doesn't attack. It doesn't have to be checked. Just somewhere that doesn't, you know, hang the queen. You had time too as well. Like, I think here you spent not even a minute. So it tells me 8:13, and then here time management is good. Is good. Like, I would say, in a way, you can use your time as a piece as well, or as one of the pieces. Because if you would have thought maybe an extra minute here, maybe even 2 minutes, you'll see, oh, I can't go here. I can't. This is a square I can't even go to. So here it spent like maybe 30 seconds or so, not even 30. So, and made a blunder, which is why we play slower chess, 15, especially as you're starting out, 20 minutes, stuff like that, 15 TM. So you can understand to think just a little bit longer. Other than that, bro, this was pretty good. I mean, we was hyped with how you saw the captures. Things to work on is captures. Be looking for more captures, 100%, and looking at if the captures are protected, right? Because there was a lot of captures we had. Also, castling the king is another thing. We want to make sure we get that king safe quickly, and don't try to be Kobe, bro. Like, use the pieces, pass the ball, pass the rock, bro, pass the rock, right? And you'll be straight there. Just some small little tips, and you'll be good, bro. So. All right, man. Any questions, my guy? Any questions?
Nah, that was smooth, bro. That was smooth. I learned a lot in that one little match there, right there, and those tips. So I'm gonna be cooking. So, but you see how much better I got off.
Bro, you did. You got so good. Like you got so much better, and you didn't even know all. You was like, oh, I think it's this much again. But then, like, you spotted a sequence, especially with the queen, where you took 3 pieces in a row and was just winning immediately, and you spotted that, which was good. Good calculation. So. Good instincts as a true fighter for sure. Chat says he played well, not bad at all. Exactly, chat. All right, so make sure y'all. Where can we follow you, Randy, so everybody knows?
You can follow me, Rude Boy, Instagram, RUDBOY, and I'm on Twitch here as Touch and Go 170. Touch letter NGO 170.
Touch and Go 170. Let's get a shout out in chat. I'm actually gonna post on YouTube too as well. So You guys can see if you're on YouTube, guys. Shout out to y'all. Subscribe and make sure you follow him on the socials. Chat. We gonna watch him take Leon Edwards soon. Let's go, Randy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we coming.
We coming.
I'm also on YouTube too. So
what's your YouTube?
Rude Boy Studios.
Rude Boy Studios.
Yeah,
Rude Boy
man.
Studios. All right,
But
guys.
I'm cooking up in some chess, bro. I'm coming. I'll be back. I'll be back for another lesson. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna be better than I was today.
That's I believe that 100%, bro. We waiting for that, man. Good to see you as always. If you need anything from me, bro, of course, always reach out, boss. We'll see you on the next lesson, bro.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you for having me, bro.
No problem. Peace.
Much
You
love.
ready?